So Honeybook is about to drop a whole bunch of updates for 2024, and the first one just hit today, which is a brand new home screen. So logging into Honeybook, you're introduced with their brand new home screen, which looks great. There's a whole bunch of new widgets, and it just shows you so much more information up front. You can see at the top, I can see how many leads I have, how many unread messages I have, and any open tasks that I haven't finished yet, as well as my gross pay for this month. Then below that, we have all these widgets that are showing me specific information about each different area. You have my leads, where they came from and who they are. I have a quick look at my calendar. It looks like I can make new clients, new projects, new invoices, and new contracts, which is awesome. I have an activity tab, which is absolutely amazing to just see what's happening, especially if you're running a team, you want to know what's going on. It's much easier to be able to look at this than go digging through all your different projects. Here's my inbox here on the left. We also have the payments widget, which we used to have before up at the top. We have templates, so we can create quick templates, and also tasks down at the bottom. Now, I was poking around and it doesn't look like there's a way to actually edit the home screen. That's one feature request that I would make to Honeybook if they're watching this. Being able to move the widgets to any place that I like them so I can see the information that's most important to me first would be awesome, because some of this stuff is kind of down at the bottom. If you know me, I'm actually pretty bad with keeping up with tasks and planning. So having my tasks up at the top would be super important. But this new update is great. There's so much more information and you can see what's happening so much more quick. I can't wait for the rest of the updates. And if you haven't signed up for Honeybook yourself yet, definitely do that in the description below. You need a CRM for your business. You need to stop wasting your time and you need to start running your business smoother.